I love this view of the new bridge. They put that in about, well, I don't know, probably last summer while I was on vacation. And it really looks tempting to walk across that bridge, but I think I'll just respect the railroad property. Darwin says, leave it alone. View from the currently fairly sunny side, Roslindale Village Station, and down to the other shelter that way, which is heading toward Boston. The last train went to Needham Heights. I love this rock wall, brick wall, stone wall. I guess it's a stone wall. And I have no idea how old it is. I'm going to have to look into the history of the Roslindale Station. But I love this rock so much that I have a photograph that I turned into a cardstock wall for my model railroad. Quick view of the stairs leading up to, well, let me show you. The passenger platform, and that is the pedestrian tunnel, goes under the tracks. There's both stairs and a ramp on the other side. That makes it a lot more accessible, period. I certainly wouldn't want somebody trying to race for the train going up those stairs you can barely make out here and trying to beat it. It's a much safer approach. It's the other side of those electrical boxes. I will be attempting to make a smaller version of this station on the model railroad in my next version, and I will be posting step by step as I go along. Many of you know I use a cane, and one of my secondary uses is for the shadow, to tell me where the sunlight is so I can get the best view, the most amount of sun on the trains. Needham Heights inbound. Cab car leading the way. There's the pedestrian tunnel. And I'll pause here and change my position. From here I hope to get video of the locomotive as it shoves into Boston. I wish I knew the names of all this equipment and the history and styles. Maybe I can look up that data. And there it goes. Sorry about the jiggle there. Picks up speed fast as it's going downhill. And there it goes. Another great day in Roslindale Village.